back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to discuss about the problems related to exponents or powers. So first problem, that is evaluate 7t square divide 28tm whole cube. So here how you have to sort out it. 7t square over 28 t power 3 and m power 3 equals to 7, just open as 2 times t. So 7 multiply t and over 28 multiply 3 times t and 3 times m. So t can be cancelled out, t cancel out with t, 2 t's will cancel out and 1 is left downside, as 7 ones are 7, 7 fours are 28, and you are left with 1 by 4 tm cube. Now you can change it into negative exponent, that is equals to 1 by 4 t raised power minus 1 and m raised power minus 3. This is your final answer. So next problem, that is minus 5 by 11 raised power 2 k plus 2 division minus 5 over 11 raised power 2 minus 4k plus 5 equals to minus 5 over 11 raised power to 2k. Now in that, students, you have to find out the value of x or k. We can say here is k. So you have to find out the value of k. How you have to go for this? Both sides base are same. Base as minus 5 by 11, both same. If base are same and here is sign of division, then powers will be subtracted. So minus 5 over 11 raised to k plus 2 minus 4k plus 5. So after solving it, you will get minus 5 over 11 raised to k plus 2 plus 4k minus 5 equals to minus 5 over 11 raised to 2k, and k plus 4k, it will be 5k, minus 5 plus 2, it will be minus 3. So minus 5 over 11 raised to power 5k minus 3 equals to minus 5 over 11 raised to 2k. So now in that, students, if minus 5 over 11 raised to 5k minus 3 and that side minus 5 over 11 raised to 2k, both base are same, both equal base, then powers will be also equal. So keep the powers equal as 5k minus 3 equals to 2k, and this 2k can be subtracted from 5k. 5k minus 2k, that is 3k equals to 3, and k is equals to 3 by 3. After cancellation, you will get k is equals to 1. And next problem, that is minus 5 over 6 raised to power minus 1 should be multiplied with which number so that you get minus 1. To solve this problem, you have to consider a number. Suppose you are going to multiply number x. So minus 5 over 6 raised to power minus 1 multiply x equals to minus 1, and x is equals to, as students this number is multiplied here, it will go equals to side and sign will be changed of this, it will be converted into the division. So minus 1 divide minus 5 over 6 raised to power minus 1. So now, student, this is a negative exponent, and how we have to sort out it? Go for reciprocal of that. This means it will be 1 over minus 5 over 6 raised to minus 1. Minus 1 will be changed into positive 1. And minus 1 division sign will be changed into multiplication. And while going reciprocal, minus will be cancelled out. Only you are left with the number minus 5 over 6. And minus minus become plus 1 multiply 5 over 6. And x is equals to 5 by 6. So that you will multiply 5 by 6 with minus 5 over 6 raised to minus 1 to get answer minus 1. So next problem, in that 5 by 11 raised to 2 multiply 11 by 5 raised to power 4 multiply 5 over 4 raised to power 2. So students, in that you have to go for simplification, means you have to just remove the exponents, powers. So firstly open the brackets, 5 by 11 multiply 5 by 11, 2 times 5 by 11 multiply 4 times 11 by 5, and then 2 times 5 by 4, and the numbers 5 will be cancelled out all with the 4 5s, and 2 11s will be cancelled out, 11 ones are 11, same as 11 ones are 11, and you are left with 11 multiply 11 over 4 multiply 4. 11 into 11 it will be 121 over 4 into 4 16. Now this is your final answer. So let's next problem, that is evaluate 1 by 2 raised to power minus 3 multiply 1 by 3 raised to power 2 and again it is raised to power minus 1 bracket division 6 by 5. So this how you have to sort out. 1 by 2 raised to power minus 3 multiply 1 by 3, now power 2 and then again power minus 1, so then powers will be multiplied, it will be minus 2 division 6 by 5. So that is now in negative exponent, you have to change it into the positive exponent as 1 by 2, make reciprocal of this so that powers should be positive. So 1 by 2 reciprocal of this will be 2 by 1 raised to power positive 3 multiply same as 1 by 3 reciprocal of 1 by 3 will be 3 by 1 raised to power positive 2, then division 6 by 5. Now 2 raised to power 3 means 2 how many times? 3 times. So it will be 8 multiply 3 3s are 9 multiply. Now division sign will be changed into multiplication and the number will be reciprocal. 6 by 5 reciprocal of 6 by 5 will be 5 by 6 and 6 can be cancelled out with 9 and again it can be cancelled out with 8, and the final answer which you will get, that will be 4 multiply 3 multiply 5. 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60 and 60 is the final answer. So now students, I am going to discuss with you one more important topic of exponent, that is scientific notation. In scientific notation, why we are using scientific notation? Because as if I have written number here 1 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 8 zeros, 1 3 then 8 zeros. If I just going to read out this number, it would be difficult for me to read out this number because this number is very large. Similarly, if I write 0.12340 zeros 5 6 3, this number is also difficult to read out because this number is very small. To deal with the very large and very small numbers, there is one method, that is scientific notation, and which is in the form of a multiply 10 raised to power n. Means a number can be written as in the form of a multiply 10 raised power n powers of 10 means, and the value of a will lies between 1 and 10 means the value can be equals to 1 and but less than 10. The value will varies between 1 to 10 only. For example, I have taken one number as 1 2 3 6 5 3 times 0. It can be written as, this number can be written as in the standard form of scientific notation. How it can be written as? First of all, you have to see non-zero numbers. Non-zero numbers are there and put decimal after first digit, 1 decimal. Then count the places number of digits means after the decimal as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Total 7 digits are there, and write down only non-zero numbers and multiply with 10 raised power 7. Total 7 digits are there, 7 places are there after decimal. So this power will be positive 10 raised power 7. Similarly, one more example as 6 5 3 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 zeros, 6 5 3 and 6 times 0. How we can write down it in scientific notation as 6 then decimal, 6 decimal, write non-zero numbers 5 and 3 together, multiply After decimal, how many places are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So answer will be 10 raised by 8. And complete answer will be 6 decimal 5, 3 multiply 10 raised to power 8. As if it is given in decimal form. For example, 0 decimal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 0, 2, 9. How we can write down it? It can be written as 2, 9 non-zero numbers. This is so 2 decimal 9 multiply. Now count the digits as you have applied decimal here. Before decimal, how many numbers or digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So multiply 10 raised power minus 7. Now why it is in the minus? Power is in minus because this number is very small, and as if I am just going to write down 2 by 100, then it can be written as 2 over 10 raised power 2. But this is downside, means 2 upon, so it can be written as 2 multiply 10 raised power minus 2, as we have done already negative exponent. So it will be changed into the negative exponent. So final answer will be 2.9 multiply 10 raised power minus 10. Similarly, next example as 0.3 times 0, 893. Now 893, put a decimal after 8, 8 decimal 93 multiply 10 raised power minus 4. How 10 raised power minus 4 answer will be? Because you have shifted the decimal after 8. Before 8 count how many decimal places are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 10 raised power minus 4. And if you are going to shift the decimal from right to left side, then the exponent will be negative, 10 raised power will be negative. If you are going to insert from left to right side, then the exponent will be positive.